Something's different. Despite the beautiful unfurling of new spring buds and leaves, Mommy seems distracted. Worry lines burden her forehead day and night no matter how hard I try to make her smile. Her heavy sighs brush against our skin when we walk by, and she reaches for us for no reason at all, holding us in a fierce embrace. When Mommy sits at the kitchen table with her two closest comadres, Lucia and Serafina, we sit on the floor with our kids playing loteria, our tablas set up like bingo cards. By the doorway we are just far enough away not to hear what they are whispering about. Still, I can't help but notice the anxious, sympathetic glances Mommy's friends are giving her. The room I share with Victoria is the one closest to Mommy and Poppy's bedroom. Victoria usually climbs into her bed and falls asleep as soon as the lights are off, but not me. Most nights I lie awake, listening to the soft breathing of Victoria sleeping peacefully beside me. Tonight, however, I hear Mommy in the other room, trying to smother the sound of her crying by having the television on low, and the murmur of Poppy's voice comforting her the way I wish I could.